Valentino Rossi retirement, MotoGP star discusses end for Yamaha star. Rossi will be 39 by the time the 2018 season gets underway, leading to suggestions he could be about to hang up his helmet. Morbidelli has been dubbed Rossi's heir following his step up to MotoGP level after winning Moto2 in 2017. But the Italian-Brazilian, who learned the ropes in the legendary motorcyclists academy, says filling the void left by Rossi's eventual retirement will be near impossible. "It is very difficult for me, being his heir," Morbidelli told Spanish outlet Marca. "Unfortunately, therefore, all of us are the heirs of Vale in the sense that we will have to do everything well to replace him." Franco Morbidelli. All Italian pilots have the task of replacing Vale when he retires, because sooner or later he will retire. "Unfortunately, therefore, all of us are the heirs of Vale in the sense that we will have to do everything well to replace him. It is impossible for only one to cover everything Valentino has done." Rossi finished fifth in the 2017 MotoGP standings, well off eventual winner Marc Marquez. But Morbidelli has tipped the 9-time world champion to launch a renewed challenge next season. He added, "If Vale works well, he is fine with the bike, Yamaha works well, and so, surely, yes, he has everything that is needed. He is older, but he has the necessary enthusiasm, the right talent, and it seems that his motivation is not never go down, so why not?"